We welcome you all to the world of Garuda UAV. Who are we? We are a software-based aerial services company. We provide state-of-the-art digital services in survey and mapping, inspection, project management, and surveillance. We are part of the Trenter Group, a DOF-Ketal initiative for full-stack UAV solution. Let us introduce you to our founder and CEO.
Hi, I am Brijesh. I am the founder and CEO of Garuda UAV. We are a leading platform-based services company. We have diversified our services to different sectors. Like in power, we are providing services to transmission, distribution, solar and hydropower projects. We are also providing services to different sectors like coal and mines, for irrigation and water resource, railways, metros and highways. We are automating the manual processes of each phase of a project like survey mapping, progress monitoring, inspection and surveillance. Our AI-powered platform Bluehawk is helping us to automate the manual processes in these sectors. We are using different type of equipments for different projects. Like for small scale projects, we are using quadcopters. For mid-level projects, we have our own in-house VTOL drone X2. We are using LiDAR as well as photogrammetry camera for survey mapping. And for large scale projects, we are using manned aircraft using airborne sensors.
A company called GarudaUAV has given its services and done a very detailed mapping. So definitely it has been of great help.
Now let's talk about our software. You not one, not two, but 8 different apps, all combined in a single interface called Bluehawk. Bluehawk simplifies sophisticated operations like flight planning, advanced data processing, while showcasing multiple deliverables. Drone-based visual and thermal inspection allow us to detect corrosion and defects in critical infrastructures. We also perform key activities like project progress monitoring to provide precise update of the project. Risk monitoring and surveillance. This includes establishing a sophisticated network of CCTV and drones, centrally controlled by a data center. Here are some of the snippets from the live footage video with AI-based automated markers highlighting the anomaly.